So it is technically my birthday because it's 12 a.m. About to go to bed. Just got home from work and my mom had on my pillow over there this lotion that I've been wanting from Bath & Body Works, a strawberry pound cake. It smells really good. Super good. And a gift certificate because I'm getting a massage in the morning. It said TikTok shop for creators, and I clicked it and I had all green check marks and I got approved somehow. You have to have 5,000 TikTok followers, or it said unless like approved otherwise, and I only have like 1,800, so I'm fucking pumped. So I just got ready. We're going to dinner. I'm gonna get some sushi. I decided on sushi instead of Mexican like I get every single year. I want to give you guys a quick fit check because I'm kind of running behind per usual. But me and my mom went to Marshall's, got a couple goodies. I'll show you what I got here when we get back. And then I got my free Starbucks and Chipotle, and then honestly I just was getting ready. So let me show you what I'm wearing. So I have the whole fit check on TikTok, so follow me there, but this romper is from American Eagle and this is also from American Eagle. I don't really love this t-shirt. It's very tight. This is a charm bracelet or necklace that I got made last night by my esthetician. So cute. I got to pick out the charms. This one's kind of heavy though. And then this is from TikTok shop, my band. These are from like Family Dollar, these shoes. And then these bracelets are from my shop, Lotus Me Bloom. And yeah, that's about it. But I will update you guys later. Okay, well, I guess I'll start.
Oh, Sour Patch.
Sour.
I got one. 18.
Oh, your Bubble M.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, I do like it. It's bigger than I thought.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for being you, Matthew. You're supposed to be me and you.
That's what I call it.
Thank you. Oh, that's super cute.
More cups, Dad. Can you
That's really pretty.
put that one in her room?
It's my favorite color, so.
What's your favorite color?
Carter, can you pop that?
Oh,
I actually like that one.
That's cute.
Well, more cups.
Alright, cheesecake time. Cheesecake time. It's the cake.
Cheese. It's a birthday cake.
Birthday cake.
Or you don't need that big of a piece.
There.
Birthday is officially over. We went and saw Beetlejuice after our little dinner. The cheesecake was pretty good, but it tasted kind of cinnamony. Okay, so little haul of Marshalls. I got these little slippers from Tonka. I don't know. But I've actually been eyeing these. I eyed them last time I was in there. I went up a size, but I just think they're very cute and are gonna be cute for the colder months. Then I got this wet brush, which I don't know how I'm gonna like it. It's got like harder ones. I don't love the, like, you know, the purple and the black so much. Like, this is kind of weird, but it says it refreshes and extends, eliminates frizz, removes dirt, excess oils, impurities, static and flyaways. So I like the paddle kind. And then I have so many backup wallets because Steve Madden wallets aren't the best. Like, I feel like I always end up like breaking them. But this one is a new one. I usually get the flat ones, but I like how this one is button and then it has this, some slots here, but I like how this has the chain purse on the back. So I feel like majority of the time my wallets from Steve Madden break because I have too much like change in there and then I can't shut the wallet. So I like all the like black accents to this and like the gunmetal. So yeah, that's all I got from there. But yeah, shout out my mom for buying this for me. But okay, I'm going to bed.
We'll try again. That's who it is.
Hey guys, so it's the day after my birthday. I forgot my camera today, but I got a good bit of footage on my phone. We went bowling and stuff with my friends today, and we went shopping. I want to show you the fit. I just took my Converse off, but I got these extensions from Amazon and I really like them. I have way more to put in my hair, but I just think it's cool. And it looked cool earlier, but it just wasn't blending well. But this is the fit. So just that AC/DC shirt, same necklace from yesterday. and some baggy jeans from American Eagle, and I just had some beat up Converse on. But I do want to show you guys just some things that I got as gifts, and then also some things I got from my little shopping spree I went on. All right, so obviously it's getting late, don't mind the background, but I want to start out with gifts. Yesterday Michael got me a little bottle of my favorite perfume. He thought it was a bigger one, which I did too. I guess Ulta doesn't sell the big ones at our Ulta, but this is Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande. It's my favorite. Then he got me the famous like necklace that everybody wears from Apothecary, right? I think that's it. Anyways, it's like the bubble necklace, which I've been wearing a lot of silver, as you can see, but I wanted it in gold. Definitely cute. Then my brother's girlfriend got me, she got me this these like matching mug set. They're little bows. It's a huge mug with little bows. I'm afraid these are gonna break off though. And then a little glass like this, which is really cute. I like that's glass. She got me this really cute candle. It's called Cosmic Stardust. You can't really see it too well with this light, but it's just sparkly. Even the candle itself, there's lots of glitter. Tender Loving carry bag. I really like this. It's very big. I love these type of bags for traveling, so that was nice. And then today was the obviously friend trip, and my one friend got me a massage gift certificate. I didn't think I needed to show that. And then my other friend got me a Stanley. So cute. Love a Stanley. All mine are pink, so I'm really happy about this purple, and it's textured. I don't know if you guys can see that. It also has a purple straw and lid. Super cute. And then she got me this little thing to put on top, which is so cool. I've never seen anything like this. It's just like this little, well, I opened the card first and I was like, okay, I don't know what that is. But it goes on the top, and it just, I think it just lays there, but it says my name. Like, how freaking cute, dude. How cute. How cute. But she's like, I got you one because at work we're gonna have the same one. So I absolutely am in love, and the purple bag is literally so cute. So somehow I still spent $60 at Sephora with a $25 gift card. I had $10 off, and I had a 10% coupon. I don't know. So I re-upped on the Sol Janeiro. I don't know how you say that. This is 59. It's the same one that I showed in like my recent like shopping haul. Love this so much. I like the small ones just because I like to put them in my purse. I was gonna get the bigger one and then like refill up my old one, but I kind of forgot because like I was in there so long because I could not figure out my shade for stuff. I got a free Kosas. It's a wet lip oil and a brow gel, which I heard people loved the sample size, but the actual one's not that great. Then I got another Tower 28 mascara. I really like this mascara, and it's clean. I really like it. And then my friend was telling me how great the House Labs by Lady Gaga concealer is, so I'm hoping this is a good color for me because they were like almost completely out, and I almost got the one size foundation, but I might get it on TikTok Shop. This is in light golden. I really hope that this matches me. They said you can take it back, but I hate doing that. And then this is the House Labs eyeliner. I heard good things. Then we went to TJ Maxx. I didn't get anything at Ulta. I got this Living Proof Restore Repair Leave-In Conditioner. And then I got a Honey Pot foaming wash. I really like this. I tried to get the blue one that's sensitive, but this was $5.50. So I like just have backups and stuff. This jacket. So I was trying to look for a jacket that was in between like a heavy jacket, but like I just kind of wanted like almost a rain jacket, you know, something light, because like the only like little jacket I have is like a sweat jacket that was Michael's, like my boyfriend Michael, and then I have this very heavy Michael Kors jacket that's like snow weather. I wanted something in between because my in between jacket was just really beat up and I got rid of it. This one is the brand Nautica, and this was like $50, but it's really nice. It's a medium, and you can take the hood off, and then it comes with this. It says it's water resistant, comfort stretch, detachable hood, and packageable, which I'm assuming means you can stuff it into this bag. But it's really nice. I think it's really rainy here and stuff, and I definitely wanted a hood, but you can take the hood off, so that's nice too. But I just wanted something, you know, for the rainy fall months. And it has these nice little zip up pockets, and then they do have like a little inside pocket too. Not real big, but I could put something in there. That's everything, guys. I'm honestly exhausted. I'm so happy that I just was able to do this. We went bowling and we had so much fun, and actually just have a girls' day. I feel like I don't really do that. So yeah, it was a very packed filled day. Even today I've been up since like 8 a.m. and I'm really tired, and I just want to take this makeup off, pull my hair up, and like just relax, put a big t-shirt on. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little video of me turning 27, which is freaking crazy. I will let you guys know when I was throwing that bowling ball. My shoulder was killing me, and that's when, you know, I thought I pulled a muscle. But it's crazy, time flies, but I still feel young, so I'm still in my thriving era, and we only continue to go up from here. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.